In this tutorial, I'll show you how I made this simple but powerful landing page in Canva. Hi, and welcome to this channel. All right, so to begin, click inside the search engine box like this and type website and enter. You can type landing page as well, but when you type website, you get access to a bunch of templates to use. So for instance, if I like this one, I'll just click on it and click customize this template and just edit the text on it. But I'll show you how to create it from scratch just so you know how to go about it. And once you know how to create it from scratch, you can edit any of the templates like the one I showed you. So I'll click on create a blank website. So I'll close this box. You can extend it as much as you want. To begin, I'll add headline. Click on text and add headline, and I'll push it up a bit and make sure it's in this box. You can reduce the size if you want. All right, so now this is the product I want to promote, which is InVideo AI. I'll drop the link in the description box. So this is the home page, and it's something you need to check. All right, that's very, very important. So to begin with the headline, it says bring your ideas to life. So this is what InVideo has as their headline. So we just have to recreate this, or after reading it, you can get some inspiration to create your own headline. They make awesome videos with InVideo AI. All right, or I can say instead of make, I'll just change it to generate. Yes, this is good. So I'll keep it like this and I'll reduce the text and I'll move it into the box and also squeeze it a bit. I want it like this and Control A. So the gap is too much between each line. So I'll double click Control A to highlight everything and I'll click on spacing and close it a bit, something like this, or if not, I can just open it a little bit like this, click outside the box. So this is okay, it's up to you, you can do it the way you want. So let's check something right here. See the color of this text. I will try and get closer, so I'll go back and I'll double click and I'll change it to this purple. All right, because that's what they have here, just so when your prospect lands on this page, it's gonna look similar. And you see this color here, I have this tool called Colorilla. I'll click on it. You can install it. It's a free Chrome extension, so you can install it. All right, so I'll add the sub headline just like this. So I'll go back and click add sub headline. All right, so that's from the test. Then I'll push it under here, and actually this text is a bit too big, so I'll undo and I'll use this one instead. All right, so I'll go up here and say unlock your creativity and turn any idea into a full-length video. All right, let your imagination take center stage. All right, so like I said, just read to get inspiration, but I will change it completely. Also, I'll change this color to, let's see. All right, so later I'll change this color, but first I will say turn your idea into a beautiful social media video in minutes. All right, and I'll squeeze it a bit just so it wouldn't be too long on the line. See this? Yeah, so write whatever you want, but I'm just trying to be creative. All right, and I'll double click this and you see the color that I copied is still here. Go back here, click this again. Let's see if I can reduce. I'll come to the middle a little bit. So I'll click here and go back and double click on the color palette. Click on test color, click on add new color palette and drop the code. Now what I do is I change the color code a little bit. So I'll push this down a little bit just to change the color, or move it upright or whatever just to change it a bit. So it's not the exact color code, but it's close. Then I'll double click on bold. As you can tell right here, they have some fancy color here. I just want to create something similar. So I'll go to element. I'm giving you the details on how to do this thing just so you can be creative and move this a bit. Go there and I'll change the color. I'll scroll down and go to gradient, and when you check, here is purple and over here is this color here, but I'll go back and I'll flip it. So when you check, something like this. See, this color is close, but it's not the same. And even when you check the purple here, it's dark purple, but this one is lighter. All right. And I will copy and paste, move up. I'm giving you all the T's. Let's click here and drag it more. I'll push this down more. I'll push this up and click down here and push it down. Just so I'll have big page. All right. So this is it. All right, so now we need to add the button. So see right here, we need to add the button, try InVideo. So see this button here, like this. So click on it. But from the beginning, if you don't have the button here, click on element. It knows that I'm creating a landing page or a website. That's why I have all these things available. If not, you can click on search element and just type it. All right, so just click this to bring it back. So I'll just drag it down a bit because that button is too big. All right, and the color is what? Blue. So I just want to change the color code a bit. So let's see. I'll click here and I'll click inside the box. That's why I like clicking this and drop the code. Then you see how it's all the way to the end. I'll push it down a bit. So this changed the color code. So in case of anything, you're not gonna find yourself in trouble. But most of the time they will not do anything. But some they do. We have some crazy vendors. They are picky about everything. You don't want people to use their ideas. All right, so now let's see. It says try InVideo. So we'll go back here, grab a test and click this one. And what I'll do, I'll type, it says try InVideo AI, right? So we can use the same try InVideo AI. I'll say try it now. And the color I think is white, so I'll use white. So click test color and click choose white. Now I will bring it down here. So I will just reduce the size a bit and I'll put it inside. I'll double click on the try it now, which is the test, not the button. And I will click on, you see this link, click on it. And then you have to enter your link where you want people to go. So in my case, I have the link and I'll show you quickly. So I'll click on InVideo AI and this is my link. I have cloaked my InVideo AI links, so it's not the exact affiliate link. All right, so click here and enter, and then click done and done again. All right, and by the way, please don't drop CPA marketing link here. I tried before and Canva block it because some of these CPA marketing links are a bit spammy, so that's why they block it. So please don't. So I'll click on it and reduce it a bit and move it to the center. Now see this underline, don't worry, after it's gonna go away. I'll show you how to take it off. Go up, see more and click on it, which is the menu. You see how the underline icon is shaded? Just click on it and see it's gone. All right, so that's how you take it out. Now, as you can tell, I didn't link the button, but I linked just the text. So what you do, because sometimes when you try to link the button directly, it doesn't work. So that's why I link the text first. So I'll hover on the button and click on it and hold your shift and hover on the text, then click on it. When you click on it, let go of the shift, then click on group. So now it's group. When I move, everything is moving. So that's how you do it. All right, when your potential customer clicks on the button or the text, it's going straight to the page you want to send them. All right, which is the landing, which is the sales page. All right, so this is looking awesome so far. Now I have to add disclaimers here. Now when you're promoting a landing page, you need a disclaimer just to protect yourself and the website that you are promoting your landing page on. So in this case, what I'll do is, let me push this button down a bit. So this space, if you want, you can add testimonials right here, but if not, that's fine. Or in my case, I have a YouTube video. I can add a video right here if I want. So let's say I'll go back here and this video. You see this one, I'll screenshot it. So I have this, so to screenshot, I'll use this tool. I'll click on it. It's a Chrome extension tool. So it's called snipping tool. All right, just install it. It's really useful. Then click on new. Then I will screenshot this. All right. And I'll click on copy. Then go back, Control V, then push it down. Then I'll close these shaded black boxes. I can drag the thumbnail and drop it here, but I'm just showing you just in case you don't know how. And the reason why I screenshot it because it's telling the person that this is a YouTube video with the time on it. All right, so I will maximize it and bring it down, make sure it's centered. So now I'm gonna have to push this thing up and click on the box, click on in the background and drag this a little more just so we'll have more room. All right, I'll push it down a bit and I'll stretch it and I'll go up. I guess I'll push this up a little bit and push this up there. All right, and now I'm gonna have to link this video, so I'll click on it and click on more and click link. That's another way of getting the link. Go back and click on this link button and go back again to Canva. Click here in the box and drop it. All right, and click done and done. All right, so when the prospect clicks, it's taking him or her straight to the video. All right, so last but not least is the disclaimer I told you about. So to add the disclaimer, if you don't have your website, just go back here, scroll down, and you see just highlight everything. Control C, or right click and click copy and go back, or right click and click copy and go back, and Control V. So when you click Control V, you're gonna push it down here to the center, double click and change the color to white and bold it. Okay, and let me click and add a little space between the buttons. All right, so when I click publish, it's gonna activate right away, but I'm not done yet. Then after, type your brand name here, add another text. So I'll add another text, and let's say in my case Blogsdom, and I'll drag it here and I'll change it to white as well. Then just like this, because if you have to promote this on social media, especially Facebook or Quora, you need to have your brand name or your logo. Then I'll change the color to white. To make it official, I will add the year, which is 2025. If not, you can choose not to. All right, so something like this, and I'll reduce this one more time. And or you can move this instead of center, you can move it to the side, so something like this. But I have my own disclaimer, so I'll delete it and delete this. Click on this text box and I'll add it. Click outside the box and drag it and double click and paste it here. All right, so because the font size is big, so you can't see it, so you have to try and drag it up. Then see, it's 42 and this should be like 12. So it's gone again. Undo. So I'll reduce the size and I will reduce it one more time and bring it to the center. All right, push it down and double click white. So click there and change the color text to white and bold it. I'll make it look cool. Click and push it down. I like it like this. I'll click disclaimer and I'll click link, and I'll go back to my website, and on the disclaimer I'll right click it and copy link address, go back, click here and paste it. Done. So disclaimer is linked. I'll click on policy and click link, and I'll go back, right click on policy, paste it. Done. And terms, click on the link, go back, right click, then done. Simple, beautiful, but powerful. All right, I'll push this down. This is one thing I like about Canva. You can drag and drop stuff. All right, so this looks so simple but powerful. And then again, I can copy this button, Control C, and paste it. Sorry, it's right there, and drag it and put it right here. But I don't want to have too much buttons, so I'll close it. But it doesn't affect this one. So this is it. Now, what I'll do next is to publish it. So to publish, click on publish website, and this is how you're gonna look on laptop, and it's gonna change automatically. This is how you're gonna look on tablet, and this is how you're gonna look on mobile. All right, so you don't have to do anything because this is checked already, resize on mobile. So I'm not changing anything. And if you have a navigation button, you have to check this, but we don't have navigation button. I'll show you if you have stuff like this on top. In our case, we don't have it. For the first time, you have to add a name. So in my case, I'll say Blogsdom. So it's gonna be blogsdom.my.page. canva.site. Then moving forward, when you start adding more landing pages or website, then it's gonna add that name on top of what you have already. So this will be my official Canva website name or landing page name. So let's say if I create another one, which is make money, then it's gonna be blogsdom.my.canva.site/make money. So that's how it is. So if you want to add a domain, then click on use a domain. But I have a tutorial on how to do that. But if you want just a simple website, that's okay. Then last but not least, click on publish. So it's publishing. So this is it. So let's show you, this is the official site now. So to check it, you can click view or copy. I'll copy first. So we'll check both. So like I said earlier, your next website, the name will be, let's say if it's make money, it's going to be /make money. Okay, so the first website you're going to create or landing page, it doesn't matter which one. Make sure you use your brand name. Like let's say I have here Blogsdom. Make sure you use it just so nobody will take it, and also you have it all the time. So now you can click view to check it, but I'll show you the link itself because that's what you're going to use. So I'll drop it and bam, see, it looks the same. So see, when I hover, you can see on the left button here, you can see disclaimer is there, policy is there, and terms and conditions also as well. And down you can tell there's terms and support. This is because I use Canva to create this website, so I have terms and support. And when you check right here, you have design with Canva. Now, if I click on the link, guess what? It's gonna take me straight to where I want them to go. And guess what? This is what it is. And I'll go back again and to watch the video. When the prospect clicks, guess what? Straight to YouTube video. And I have my ad showing. So let me close it. All right, so it says if you continue editing this design, you will have to publish it again. And that's how it works on every website builder or even WordPress website. Anytime you make a change, you just have to publish it again. So make sure everything is done correctly before. And I forgot to tell you something. You can add your brand logo here if you don't want to type the name, but that's okay. All right. So I'm done with this. All right, so this is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel and check out other videos on the channel as well.